Good afternoon. Now we're going to house of Alexa Tan to give this 5 kilogram of rice. And this is the CR or kaliguan na no? Di na ni matawag CR. CR gapon. Banyo na ni. Asa yung CR mi?
Wala ni CR. Wala ni sila CR.
Pa-video ako rin soda.
No CR. No comfort room.
And this is the kitchen area of Alexa Tan. This is the background of her house. Then this is the kitchen area. And also they have a garden. So many books. This is the garden of Alexa Tan. They have a chili. More than yung garden. La, permission, pasudla ko. Sulag ko. Video ra ko rin. Wa man kay makawat. Wa man kay makawat ari. Mirror.
Kita lang pinalbulingon.
Ha? Unsa mi?
Pinalbulingon.
Nay daghan na mo ah. Solar system battery. Cabinet. Asa di yung garden dire me? Sili na lang. Oy.
Sa init. Una lang nga nabilin akong sili, kay gikaon sa kanding, eating the goat.
Eating the goat. Kayo na me.
My name is Jesusa Tan. I'm 42 years old. My job is as scavenger.
Ika lang.
My name is Alexa Tan. I am 9 years old.
Kami.
Oh,
My name is Samela.
ano?
My name is Carmela.
Oh, pila imong edad?
7.
7.
Years old.
Mawawon man ni siya.
My name is Alexander Batolan. I am 48 years old. My job is scavenger.
Ako ay pangutana me. How many children you have?
4. 2 boys and 2 girls.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Istorya din.
Tabi.
Gaye Guillaume Doranev. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Gaye Guillaume Doranev. Thank you. Gaye Guillaume Doranev. Thank you. Gaye Guillaume Doranev. Thank you.